Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices fell in thin holiday trade after a three-day rally, with investors trying to gauge the Omicron coronavirus variant's impact on demand. UK shares inched higher in pre-Christmas trading, with investors largely hopeful that the global economy can weather the Omicron COVID-19 variant that is forcing several countries to reimpose restrictions. India's foreign exchange reserves declined by $160 million to $635.66 billion due to a sharp drop in foreign currency assets, the Reserve Bank of India reported.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 15:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. The U.S. three-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence at 0600 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.